there, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you some quick and easy self-care tips that can help you boost your mood and feel your best. Self-care is important for our physical and mental well-being, so let's dive into these tips. Tip number 1. Get moving. The first self-care tip is to get moving. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. You don't have to go to a gym or run a marathon. A simple walk around the block or some stretching can do wonders for your mood. Tip number 2. Practice gratitude. The second tip is to practice gratitude. So just take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you are grateful for. This can shift your focus from negative thoughts to positive ones and improve your overall outlook on life. The third tip is to connect with nature. Spending time outdoors, whether it's in your park or your backyard, can help reduce stress and anxiety. Take a few deep breaths, feel the sun on your skin and enjoy the beauty of the world. Tip number 4. Get creative. The fourth tip is to get creative. Engaging in a creative activity such as painting, writing or cooking can be a great way to express yourself and boost your mood. It doesn't have to be perfect, just have fun and enjoy the process. Tip number 5. Practice self-compassion. The final tip is to practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and don't beat yourself up over mistakes or setbacks. Treat yourself as you would treat a good friend and remember that self-care is not selfish. It's necessary for your well-being. So there you have it, my 5 quick and easy self-care tips that help you boost your mood and improve your well-being. Remember, self-care is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Take care of yourself and I'll see you soon in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel, A Happier Me, if you like my videos. And take care and have a great day. Bye.